Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I'll be showing you a recipe of how to make a Vietnamese inspired iced coffee using the Nespresso machine. So for today, all you will need is about half a cup of ice, condensed milk. I have the lactose-free version and the Caffe Nespresso pod that is about 1.35 fluid ounces and an intensity of 11.
We'll be reaching paradise. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't even really know your name.
Once you add your ice into your cup, you will add about 1 serving size of your condensed milk. 1 serving size is about 2 tablespoons. However, because this is so messy for me and I like to control it at my own pace, I kind of just pour it by hand and kind of guesstimate how much I actually want. Because this coffee is very strong, you will later have the option to add more milk if you think it's very intense. Once you have added your condensed milk, you can go ahead and prepare your Nespresso pod. We'll be using the Caffe, which is about 1 shot of espresso with an intensity of 11. This means that the coffee itself is very strong in flavor and it's more of a bitter taste, similar to what a Vietnamese coffee usually tastes like for me. So that's why I chose this pod. If you wanted to make it more intense in flavor, you can definitely add another shot of espresso of the same pod. However, I think it will be overkill as one pod itself has an intensity so strong that even with the condensed milk, it will feel bitter. Once the shot of espresso is ready, you can go ahead and pour it over your ice and condensed milk. This will kind of go in between the crevices and mix with the condensed milk, allowing it to kind of absorb and distribute throughout the glass. As you can see, this is not a lot of liquid itself. However, when you go ahead and mix it up, the ice will start melting and this will cause the ice to just kind of distribute and dilute the coffee itself from that intensity that you originally looked for with the pod. As you can tell, the condensed milk is very thick, so it's going to take a lot of stirring for you to kind of break that apart and dissolve it evenly in your glass. Make sure that you have napkins on the go. It does get very messy, especially if the condensed milk got stuck to the walls. And there you have it, guys. There's your Vietnamese inspired coffee made with the Nespresso machine using the Caffe pod. Let me know what you think of this recipe, and if you have any other suggestions of how to improve this recipe, please leave a comment below. Once again, thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you next time.
Right here, right now. And even if the world ends, then I'll be fine. No fear, no doubt. I know a place that sneak away. Leave the pain, I'll stay with you. Let me hold you, close your eyes. We'll be reaching paradise. Ooh.